أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم وينذر الذين قالوا اتخذ الله ولدا وينذر الذين وينذر إخفاء here to count غنة وينذر same thing, no buzzing sound in this letter za. Don't say za. How to pronounce this za? Just like how I taught you to pronounce the letter sa. Tip of the tongue touching the corners of your upper front teeth. What is the difference between sa and zal is? Sa is a letter of hams. A little air will be included, extra air or breath will be there when you pronounce letter sa, but here there is no, because this is a letter of jahar. Then you will have to pronounce it. You will pronounce it like وَيُنذِرَ zi, not وَيُنذِي, zi, okay? وَيُنذِرَ الَّذِينَ, ra heavier. Again same letter dal with no buzzing sound, because we have this practice of saying allazina, zina, no buzzing sound. وَيُنذِرَ الَّذِينَ قَالُوا اتَّخَذَ اللَّهُ وَلَدًا قَالُوا اتَّخَذَ اللَّهُ qa, it is heavy letter, don't say qalu, okay? qalu, lam for only one count, qaf for two haraka. qalu ittakhadha, kha is heavier, but the letter tal and dal will sound light, okay? qalu ittakhadha, same word, same letter again. You can see this letter dal, okay? This letter dal with no buzzing sound, letter sa with no whistling sound. I'm repeating it many times. When you recite this week the same ayahs, you should not make this mistake. If you are doing this mistake, that means you did not do any practice. With no practice, the whole course is of no use, okay? Be careful to pronounce them clearly, because when you recite the Surah Al-Kahf correctly, get assessed well, then you will recite the whole Qur'an correctly, because almost all the rules of basic Tajweed and also a few advanced Tajweed are here in this surah. Be careful that you practice well, inshallah. I should not see any mistakes of this makhraj like dal, sa in your recitation of this week, okay? Inshallah. How to pronounce? قالوا اتخذ, not a z, no buzzing sound. وينذر الذين قالوا اتخذ الله ولدا. Okay, in the first ayah, alhamdulillah, there the word the letter lam in the word of Allah, which is called as lam al-jalala, we pronounced it lightly. Why? Because in the word lillahi, lam, the lam before lam al-jalala had kasra, the lower haraka. But here you can see this is the lam al-jalala. It has a fatha before it. Can you see this letter has fatha, due to which this lam will be heavier now. قَالُوا اتَّخَذَ اللَّهُ, law, lam will be heavier, not a la, it is a law, okay? Walada, waladan will become walada. Repeat with me. وَيُنذِرَ الَّذِينَ قَالُوا اتَّخَذَ اللَّهُ وَلَدًا وَيُنذِرَ الَّذِينَ قَالُوا اتَّخَذَ اللَّهُ وَلَدًا.